Because if anything's twisted or tangled, you're going to have a hard time getting it. Kind of like how this is wrapped right here.
That's the most important part, huh?
Yep.
Kind of like an extension.
You'll never get it on if you don't have it all hanging free. See how there's still a wrap in there?
So the blue goes over the back, huh?
It goes around the back side, yeah.
They all need to hang free like that, huh?
So that's how it should look. Hanging free, everything's hanging.
You're on video.
It's a good way to remember. Same thing over there, right?
Gotcha. A bunch of H's. I like it. Okay.
Okay, so see these crimped fasteners here?
Uh-huh.
Make sure those are facing you when you slide it behind the tire. Because if this part's facing you, these will rub on your tire. Okay. So smooth part facing you. This red clasp, this horseshoe looking clasp, that'll slide to the back of the tire. So put this behind the tire.
A lot like cable chains, actually.
Slide it around. Pull it out. Make sure that red comes out. That's half your chain. And once you get that out, then you just grab both ends of the cable, pull it up to the top of the tire, snap that cable, that quick link. Okay. And then just set it down. Don't let it go back there because you haven't hooked this, it'll fall down. Okay. And then you'll have, right here you have this red double hook hanging and this chain link hanging. You'll hook that, and now you can center it up. These center links that connect the cross links, that'll be your center of your tread. So push that back, center it up as best you can, get those centered. And then you got your fastener down here and your chain.
And that's adjustable, right?
Yeah, I got stuck up there. So once you get this in here, put it in the underneath that trough. There's that little lock key right there. Pull it as tight as you can get it. And that little lock will hold it so. And then how much ever slack you have, you're going to have plenty to go through both of these. You'll go through this one, go through this one, and then you'll hook it where it's tight. So now the trick is, I mean, it's on there pretty tight, but you want to drive literally just like 20 feet.
And then check it again. Forward,
yeah, and check it again. And you're almost to the end of the tighter, so you can probably get that last little bit pretty easily.
You think they're too big?
No, I think that's, I think that's a good size. I mean, why don't you do this?
I drive really slow, dude. When I have chains on, I drive really slow.
Back up like just 10 feet and pull back forward, and I'll see how much slack we get.